you can expect a lot from the 2011 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 330 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Mercedes-Benz infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.